Or maybe she finally gets off your back. Roast beef to a barley, back at you.
S-K-A-T.
Do you guys really have to play skate right now? I'm trying to have an existential crisis here.
We bet $5 and I need lunch money, so yeah.
Then you're gonna starve, my friend.
So your crisis got me thinking, Tricky. Newton's third law says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Wow, this must be massive. Oh.
So, you think my mom, what? Makes me quit skateboarding?
Hard to argue with Newton.
I'm with Tani. Your mom is so hardcore. Ah!
True that. Still fish to judo. Yeah. But she could surprise you.
Nah.